Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Mr.
Pulak Kumar,
Author of.
ANJ.
So, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
Yeah, it is. It's pretty overwhelming,
Right.
Lots of places to go to. Even the Notion Press stall itself, there is so much variety and, more titles and more genres than I know what to do with.
So, what would you say stands out in your book, in its theme and genre?
I would say it's a romance novel and it's comes from a pretty personal place. So I think it's pretty cliche, but they say that everybody has their own story to tell and nobody can quite replicate what goes on in your own head.
Right.
So like to start with, that is my answer.
Right.
Right
But
here.
what are some of the biggest challenges you faced when writing a book like this?
The biggest challenges are the biggest challenge for me in this book was finishing it.
Okay.
In a sense that there were a few points where I thought that okay, I guess I could just stop it here.
Right.
But there was always that doubt at the back of my mind that really.
Let's just get there. Let's just make it.
Yeah. Maybe we can move on a little longer.
Right.
Maybe we can do a little more.
If you had to
And,
give some advice to our writer community, what would that be?
keep practicing and keep just writing down what comes in your head. As the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. I know that this is very general advice that applies to a lot of things, but it is 100% true in writing.
Right.
Do a better job at translating your ideas onto the page the more you are doing it.
Right. Wonderful, sir. That was wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing your experience. I hope you have a wonderful book fair.
Thank you.
Thank you.